Hello. So GradientGuard. So this is to start with 22,000 EU financial institution has to follow the DORA matrix, and otherwise they will be fined. Directly coming back to the architecture, DigitalOcean Gradient AI would have multiple agents. A1 is DORA Sentinel, which monitors. A2 is the evidence forge. A3 is the remediation advisor, and A4 is the compliance council, which will have RAG, DORA, and ISO GDPR. So majority of the task it will be done here. And there is a Node.js API. There is also incident database, and there is also a dashboard screen. And there are more details. Then we will switch directly to the screen. So this is where we will see that whenever we receive an incident, so it will go via all the agents. So for example, if I click on simulate a P1 incident, so there will be a P1 incident coming up, if you see on the top of the screen, and it also shows some DORA article, and you see there is also evidence being generated. And just to give a little bit context here, A1 was DORA Sentinel, that was to monitor the infrastructure every 60 seconds, and A2 is evidence forge, which generates the PDF that I'm going to show you now. This is the PDF card, and you can also see the triggered DORA articles. These are the articles being triggered, and the evidences are generated by DigitalOcean platform, and there is some more details on there. And here we can see that that it uses the A1, A2, and then dispatches everything. And there is one more major thing is compliance council chat, where we can ask question like, what is the evidence do I need for ICT incident? If we ask that, then it goes to the compliance agent, and then it does some RAG actions behind the scene that I can show you in the debug screen we have. Yes, so if you see, I just did this one. So evidence, so then if you see, there is classify and there is RAG action, and then we get answer, and we go back, and even we can ask some more question. So we'll see also we're getting back the response on that. It's also RAG happening there, and we go back, there is one more flow. You can also recent incident, if you see, there are 5 incidents and 5 P1 incidents. And we can also ask a little bit more about DORA article triggers and close incidents with evidence and remediations. So it will give us the flow, what to do, how to handle things. And just to show you the technical aspect a little bit, so if I go to app platform options, there we can see as we saw, web API and the database and Sentinel worker is there. And going back to the agent platform, we can see the agents, the evidence forge, compliance council, remediation advisor, DORA Sentinel. All the agents are there, and also of course the knowledge bases. So we also have knowledge bases. I have added individual DORA PDFs and trained them. We can also see in the data source. So yeah, so anything else? Yeah, that's it. Thank you.